This morning, search and rescue efforts are still underway across several Texas counties.
Hundreds of first responders have been working through the water and debris searching for a miracle at this point. It's been 5 days since Central Texas was hit with flash floods, and now more than 100 people have died due to those flash floods.
We know some areas had as much as 30 feet of water, destroying really everything in its path. The destruction stretching for miles across Central Texas. Still, the biggest loss there is not even fully known because dozens are still missing.
I need to tell my community and those families who are waiting, this will be a rough week.
We'll never be the same. We'll never ever forget this. It'll be close in our heart and in our mind and in our soul, but we will be strong.
Officials say the number of people killed is unfortunately expected to climb.